everyone, this is Jamaica Real and I'm cooking chocolate cake but with a twist. We're adding peanut butter into the chocolate cake. These are all the materials that I will use. These are all the ingredients. First, we will put the milk into the glass. We will add water. Now, we will mix the milk. And we will put the cake mix into the bowl. Now that the cake mix is in the bowl, we'll add 2 eggs. Then we will add the milk. Now we will add peanut butter. It will be the consistency you want. We'll heat the pan. Turn it to the low heat. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of oil and spread it. Now we will add the mixture. Ang chocolate. And wait until it cooks. Now we'll close it. Now we will put in the plate. Now the cake is ready. We will put it down to rest.
Sa bawat pagharap natin sa salamin, minsan hindi lang refleksyon ang bumabalik, pati ang mga masasakit na alaalang pilit nating kinakalimutan, ang mga multo ng ating nakaraan.